In India, everyone is honking all the time. The streets are always so loud with the sound of tuk-tuks and cars. It doesn't matter what time of day it is. Trucks even have signs on the back asking you to use horn and please honk. One of our guides told us, in India, the horn is more important than the brakes. You can drive without brakes, you can't drive without your horn. Whether they are in a traffic jam or just doing it for fun, they are always blasting their horns. If you come to India, make sure to bring good earplugs.